So once you have found, your dream home, the right home for you, and you've applied for a mortgage, there are some key things to keep in mind before you close. You're probably all excited about owning your own place and you're looking forward to moving in. But before you go and buy any big items, before you move your money around, before you make any major life changes, talk to your broker. Someone who is qualified to tell you how your financial decisions can impact your home loan. I wanted to share with you a few things to go over that you shouldn't do after applying for a mortgage. They're all important to know, or simply really just keep them as good reminders during the process. The first one is don't deposit cash into your bank accounts. A lot of the lenders need to source your money, and cash is not easily traceable. Before you deposit any amount of cash, and moving any cash around, make sure to discuss the proper ways to document it. Talk to your mortgage broker or mortgage specialist, just so you don't end up getting in any kind of hiccup as you move closer to closing on your loan and moving into your property. The second one is don't make any large purchases, like in whether you're thinking about buying a new car or a new truck or some furniture for your new home. New debt comes with new monthly obligations, and new obligations create new qualifications. So people with new debt have higher debt to income ratio, and higher ratios make for riskier loans. And then sometimes qualified borrowers can be affected. So again, make sure to keep that in mind. The third one is don't go about co-signing or helping somebody get a loan doesn't matter who they are. When you co-sign, whether you realize it or not, you're obligated. With that obligation comes higher ratios as well. Even if they promise you, or you're not going to have to pay anything, we'll be paying for it, we'll be looking after the payments. Your lender will have to count the payments against you because you are partly obligated when you co-sign on a loan. Number 4 is you don't want to change your bank accounts. Remember, lenders need to source and track your assets, and that task is significantly easier when there's consistency with your accounts, especially from the time you applied for the mortgage to the time that you're going to close. So before you transfer any money, again, speak to your mortgage broker or mortgage specialist. And the last one is don't apply for any new credit. It doesn't matter whether it's a new credit card or a new car. When you have your credit report run by different organizations and multiple financial channels, whether that's a mortgage, a credit card, an auto loan, etc., your score could be impacted and possibly affecting your loan. Keep in mind, any changes in income, any changes in assets or credit should really be reviewed and executed in a way that ensures your home loan can still be approved and can still close. If your job, for example, or employment status has changed and there's been some major changes in your income, you need to share that with your broker as well. The best plan is to fully disclose and discuss your intentions. So make sure to keep those tips in mind. And if you ever have any questions or anything I can assist with, feel free to reach out.